We are VA approved, so we have a lot of veterans that attend our programs.
That's another thing is their benefits. That's the least that they should be able to get.
I wanted to find a field that was quick and was hiring. The trucking industry had a lot of opportunities for me.
A lot of veterans, they start when they're 18 years old. They join right in out of high school. So by the time they do a full 20, they're 38 years old. They still got another 20 years that they could put into another career.
A lot of them like to travel. And you know, that's what most of the veterans tell me when they come to school, is that they're looking to travel more. And this is a way that they can get out and travel and earn money too.
If you've been attached to a transportation unit and been involved in something like that, and you've got your CO signs off on your waiver, all they have to do is come through training. They don't even have to take a test. They don't even have to take the road test. They just walk up, give them the waiver, and get a CDL. I think it's just an easy transition for them.